Alright YouTube, welcome back to part 2 of the Scrambler 500 rebuild. Today we will be putting new hand grips on, and also got a new gas cap in the mail just about 10 minutes ago, so I'm going to be opening the package here in a little bit. But so yeah, that's what we'll be doing today. There we go, here's the new gas cap. Yeah. Throw that in the trash. Grab our new gas cap. And as you can see, this older gas cap was taped over and stuff, because it's supposed to have like a little plastic cover over this gauge, and the plastic cover broke. There's a little hole right there, so the guy that owned it before me put some tape over it so water won't get in the gas tank. So yeah, we'll just take that off real quick. Put it right there for now. Looks pretty good. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. Fits great. Yeah, it makes it look a lot better than this. Alright YouTube, it's actually been a couple days since the last video, and that's because I didn't have the grips, and wasn't really able to get the grips because I had just gotten my wisdom teeth taken out, and then I was also busy with working for my neighbors. But so yeah, I finally have some time to record me putting them on and everything, and I actually got the grips themselves a couple days ago, but didn't have the time to put them on. But yeah, like I said, we'll be putting them on today, and after I put the grips on, that'll be the end of part 2. So yeah, I'll put y'all on the tripod. Alright, so to remove this grip, I'm just going to cut it because the end's already messed up, so I'm just going to use my utility knife. Cut it. I'm pretty thick, so probably need to be cut maybe a couple times, so it's gone. So yeah. You don't really have to cut the end off, as you can see. Just slide it off. So just gonna throw this one in the trash. This one's actually non-bad condition, so I might try to save it. Just kind of have to work it off. honestly, probably need like some soap and water. I'm probably gonna grab some water at least before I put the new grips on. So it'll make it easier when you're taking them off for sure. So yeah, I got that off. Like I said, I don't know. I might save it since it's in pretty good condition, but I don't know. I'm only gonna have one, so I don't really see why I wouldn't need, so I might just throw it away. But yeah. Alright, so got a little bit of water as you can see. And here's a new grip. So on the grip itself, it says it has an R. So you know that one's for the right. So I'm going to get some of this water and pour it inside the tube just a tiny bit. Just kind of swish it around, get it on the walls of the grip, and then just pour out the extra. Then you get some, you might just put it on your hands or something. Put it on, try to rub it on the bar a little bit. I don't really like to use soap and water because it takes, like the soap can still stay in there and it can still be hard to get them to seat right. But if you put water, it should dry pretty quickly. So that's why I'm not using soap to put them on. But yeah, very easy to do. Just put these on. Then I put the Moose Racing just across there. I thought that would look the best, and then the waffle part is on the back. So on this side, you're going to want to do the same thing. I'll pour a little bit of water inside the grip, swish it around. And then try to get a little bit on the handlebars. Kind of try to rub it in. But obviously, since the other side is R, the right side, this would be the left side. That's all you have to do to put the hand grips on. And yeah, so it's pretty easy. And if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe to stay updated on this build. This is part 2 of the Scrambler rebuild out of believe I'm just going to do one more part, and next video will be me aligning the front tires. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on next week's video. Put out videos every Friday, and I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers, so make sure you don't miss out on that either. And I have a bunch of other videos on my channel. Make sure you go and check out some other videos. I have all kinds of videos, welding videos, riding videos. So yeah, and if you have any suggestions for any other kind of video you'd like to maybe see me make, put it down in the comments. And if you'd like to see me do more of a specific type of video, make sure you put that down in the comments. And yeah, and as always, give it a like, and have a nice day.